Hi kids, how are you? Let's learn the ABC. These are the small letters of English alphabet. We learn from A to Z. Do you agree to learn? Okay, let's start. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Now I know my ABC. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? A B C D, A B C D. D is my favorite letter. E F G H, E F G H. H is my favorite letter. I J K L, I J K L. L is my favorite letter. M N O P, M N O P. P is my favorite letter. Q R S T, Q R S T. T is my favorite letter. U V W, U V W. W is my favorite letter. X Y Z, X Y Z. Z is my favorite letter.